Hey there, creative soul. We're so excited to have you on this crafting adventure. In this kit, we're diving into the beautiful art of marquetry to create a stunning, handcrafted jewelry box that's as unique as you are. Whether you're a marquetry master or a total newbie, don't worry, we'll walk you through everything step by step. So grab your kit, get comfy, and let's get started. Inside your kit, you'll find everything you'll need to bring your jewelry box to life. A wooden jewelry box, your blank canvas. PVA glue for securing your beautiful design. A metallic marker pen for that final shimmering touch. 3 sheets of colored wooden veneer in blue, green, and brown. You'll also have your geometric design template to help you create a stunning pattern. And to complete your project, you'll need a few basic tools from home: a pencil, a ruler, and a pair of scissors. Got everything? Great, let's get crafting. First things first, carefully cut out each of the template pieces. Be as precise as possible so everything fits together neatly later on. And here's a pro tip: as you cut each piece, keep them in order so you'll know exactly where they go. Now, it's time to pick your colors. Decide which veneer you'd like for each template piece: blue, green, or brown. You can follow a pattern or mix it up for a totally unique look. Once you've decided, write the color next to each piece so you don't forget. Next, working one section at a time, trace each template piece onto the corresponding veneer. Try to place them close together to make the most of your materials. Then, carefully cut out your veneer pieces. Take your time. Veneer can be a little delicate, so slow and steady wins the race. As you go, match each piece with its template to stay organized. Now, for the fun part, arranging your design. Lay out your veneer pieces on the wooden lid, making sure they fit together neatly. If anything's a little off, trim carefully with scissors, just tiny snips at a time. Once you're happy with the fit, it's time to start gluing. But here's the trick: glue one piece at a time because veneer can curl when wet. Use just a little glue, less is more. And after you press a piece down, flip the box over and place something heavy on top to keep it nice and flat. Let each section dry for at least 15 to 20 minutes before moving on to the next. Be patient, it's worth it. This will help everything stay flat and secure. Moving on to the sides. Start with the front panel, arrange your veneer pieces, trim any that need adjusting, and mark where the joins of the box meet each piece. Then, carefully cut along those marks. Now, glue down half of the front panel, weigh it down, and let it dry. Once it's set, glue the second half and repeat the process. Then, do the same for both of the short sides. Arrange, trim, mark, cut, glue, and let it dry. By now, your jewelry box is really coming to life. Once everything is glued in place, let your masterpiece dry for 12 to 24 hours. We know, it's hard to wait. But trust us, it's worth it. Now, grab that metallic marker and let's add some magic. Use a ruler to outline some of the veneer pieces and create a polished, shimmering effect. It's the perfect final touch. And just like that, your marquetry jewelry box is complete. Take a moment to admire your gorgeous, handmade creation. We hope you love it as much as we do. Happy crafting, and we will see you next time.